Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides. This one we have 2x. This one we have number 1. This one that is about the constant, so you got 0. So number 9 multiplied by number 2, we have 18. Because we have x plus 1, so we need to divide both sides by number 18. So this one we change by u. S plus 1 dx we change by this one. So the integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.